Narrow body high power high efficiency drilling rig. Shandong Tian Science and Technology Co. Limited. CMS1-2500 machine has a compact structure design. The width not exceed 0.9 meters. Motor power not less than 75 kilowatts. Maximum speed not less than 800 rpm. Electro-hydraulic intelligent control. Used for blasting and roof cutting. Gas drainage, pressure relief drilling for rock burst prevention, water exploration and drainage drilling. It can also be based on coal and rock conditions. Optional different power heads. With the same hoist, simply replace the PTO unit. The torque configuration has 5 models 2000 North Dam. The whole machine is controlled by an intelligent electronic unit. Drilling execution unit. Chassis travel unit. Support lifting unit, composed of 4 units. Main technical parameters. The drilling rig can achieve 180-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical adjustment. Meet the drilling requirements of different directions. The angle adjustment process can be completed only by operating the valve stem. No other auxiliary operations are required. The hydraulic chuck of drilling rig adopts the structure without rubber tube. No more frequent replacement of the cartridge power output unit. High reliability. Long service life of hydraulic chuck. Adopt large stroke and large thrust compact extrusion mechanism. Feed stroke not less than 1,200 mm. The pulling force is not less than 120 kN. Maximum congeneric product. Top-down front and rear jacking structure. Good rig stability. Fast and stable drilling in complex downhole environment. Drill pipe can be added before the power head when drilling. No need to disassemble the water injector. Remove drill pipe after tripping. More efficient. During roof hole construction, the distance between the disassembly and assembly of drill pipes is 800 to 1,300 mm. Improve construction efficiency. The rig also features a load-sensitive variable hydraulic system, automatic adjustment of output torque and speed according to changes in drilling resistance. With intelligent adaptive drilling function, make sure to always drill at maximum power. After adding the drill pipe, the washer injector needs to be disassembled and assembled. The drill pipe attached to the rig can prevent the backflow of water. Reduce the water flow time during drilling. Increase drilling efficiency.